enjoy this beach view. Linaw. So what are the things that you should keep in mind when booking an activity? Basically living his best life. Ang ganda! Good morning! Good morning! So it's our third day here in Coron. And look at this view from the roof deck. Ang ganda! Ang sarap pala maging early bird kapag ganito yung view. Ano? Diba? So relaxing. So today ang gagawin lang namin is magdadalawang sandbar kami and then one beach. A Coron Escapade Tour. We booked this guys via Klook. You can use my promo code, it's MaryCloak, to get 5% discount. Dahil nandito na rin tayo sa Venus Royal Hotel, and since it's our last day here, check natin yung breakfast ng ina-offer nila. Actually, hindi kami nag-avail ng breakfast kasi di naman kami masyado nagbe-breakfast. Usually, coffee lang talaga. Pero papakita ko na rin sa inyo in case gusto nyo mag-book with breakfast. So, here, they have a omelette section. Pwede kayo magpagawa ng omelette and then sunny side egg, meatloaf, yan, meatloaf, fish fillet, creamy mixed vegetables. Oh, wow! Ang sarap. Pancit mix. Yeah. They also have bread and pancake, cookies, banana bread. They also have fruits. Melon, orange. Then they also have garden salad, macaroni salad, Coco Crunch for the kids if they want, or cornflakes. Also coffee. And then they have here fresh milk and water juices. So that's the full breakfast buffet here in Venus Royal Hotel. Yung kabuuan nung sa kanilang breakfast choices. We are here again sa first point for our tour. We were also here yesterday. We're just going to register here our names and details bago tayo mag-start ng tour. Let's go!
Okay, Madam and Sir, welcome to our first stop here on Coco Beach, our land stop. The reason why it's called Coco Beach because lack of coconut trees.
Dito na rin tayo guys magla-lunch. So you can just chill here in the beach, swimming, kayaking, or beach volleyball. Ayan, tas may mga cottage din guys. Nalaan tayo sa hammock. You can also use the cottages din pala guys if you want. Free of use siya. Go swimming. And then also you can do kayaking if you rented the kayak. It's around 1,000 pesos for yung normal, yung colored. And then yung clear is around 1,500 pesos. And then they also have snorkeling gear for 150 pesos. Hindi na kami nag-rent kasi kahapon we did a lot of snorkeling na. I guess we're just gonna chill and relax here at the beach. Diba? Super chill. And ang ganda ng vibe. Tapos dyan lang kayo sa taas and then chill. Ay, may hammock din pala dito sa baba. So parang 2 floors siya. Tapos you can go up. Hala, akit ba tayo? Teka lang, baka maano ako. And so, this is the view. Here. And then, pwede kayong magstay lang dito sa taas. And enjoy this beach view. Hello! Beach dog ka ah. Saan ka galing? He's basically living his best life. Hi! Mga triangle cottage. May mga foam. May foam inside this kulambo and pillows. Also electric fan. You can take a nap here. Or if you have babies, they can take a nap. Or yung mga elders, they can rest. 2 floors. Tapos may ano siya, cover. And then dito guys, may sari-sari store pa. Tapos may mga beer din. Ayan, if you want to chill by the beach. Tapos juice, if di naman kayo uminom. Ayan, there's food here. Cup noodles, also water. Ah, this cute dog. Alo, nilalamig na siya. Nilalamig siya?
Bagong ligo. Kasi
Wala,
nagkaroon siya ng mga allergy.
Kawawa
Kaya
naman.
sinabot ko siya.
Baby pa.
Anak niya.
Ang cute, may shih tzu kayo dito. Sa inyo po itong tindahan?
Opo.
Ah, okay.
Papaliguan ko rin yung isa.
Ano to ate? May mga nagre-rent po? Oh, magkano ang rental po dito?
Ang rental
Mga parang
nila,
bahay-bahay.
600 ang kada tao.
Ah, per head po. Ah, okay. Ayun na, electric fan ka lang dito.
Ganda yan, nakakita rin yun.
Oo. Parang ano ka, province life.
Solar oh.
Para siguro pag mag-charge ka ng phone or something, diba? Gadgets. Pero parang it's so nice para mag-ano ka, yung disconnect. Disconnect with all the distractions. If gusto nyong mag-reset. Yan. Perfect yung mga ganitong places. Ayan, marami namang hammock na pwede kayong magstay. This tour is the complete opposite of the one that we did yesterday. Yesterday was full of action, swimming, snorkeling, hiking. So if you're into thrills, adventure, and a lot of fun and activities, yung tour that you should book is yung kahapon na binok namin, which is yung Coron Super Ultimate Tour. But if you're into relaxing or you just wanted to chill, ayaw nyo na masyadong maraming activities or action na ginagawa, this tour is perfect for you because activity lang talaga namin for this trip is just going to 3 beaches and then mag-chill. So, what are the things that you should keep in mind when booking an activity? Yung sa tour namin for this trip, if you wanted to book this, the boat ride will take from town proper going to the first destination around 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's a long boat ride. It would have been better if they have speakers or music. Pero if not, you can also, if you're watching this, might as well prepare your own speakers para at least, di ba, you can have some music on your boat ride. Pero naman mga nabibili na like JBL speakers, yung mga maliliit, mini speakers lang na hindi masyadong mabigat. On Lazada, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below. Yung boat ride nyo going here would be fun. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman na masyadong music, it's okay lang din na hindi na rin magdala. Maybe some activities. You can prepare some activities or games with your friends. Pero except lang yung sa mga gamit na pwedeng mahulog or liparin ng hangin like card games. Para at least mas fun din yung boat ride nyo going here. But yung boat ride naman natin for the second beach to the third beach would take around 15 to 20 minutes. So mas maiksi na lang siya. Yun lang naman yung mahaba na boat ride is yung from the first stop talaga, from the Coron town proper. Dapat din na magdala kayo ng maraming cash or mag-withdraw kayo ng cash because most of the restaurants here and stores here only accept cash. There are some na nag-a-accept ng GCash pero konting-konti lang talaga. Most of the time cash talaga. This is our third day here and wala pa kaming nagamit na credit card so far. So mostly talaga cash. So might as well withdraw kapag ka nasa town, Coron town proper kayo. You should also bring sunblock off lotion. Kasi syempre at least to protect you from the sun and yung sa mga lamok. This is our first stop and nag-aantay lang kami kasi nagpe-prepare sila ng lunch namin. So included na rin siya dito sa tour. If you want to book the same tour, I'll just put a link in the description box below and you can use my promo code, it's MarieClub, to get 5% discount. So let's just hang out here, ride the hammock, and then picture-picture, ganon. Picture taking lang tayo. Tapos, inaura-aurahan natin tong swimsuit natin. Ang sarap mag-chill at saka relax dito. It's the total opposite of what we see every day in the city. And perfect to end our trip here in Coron. Tomorrow we'll head back na to Manila. Alam mo yun, it's so nice to recharge and relax before going back to Manila para at least you have the energy to face the busy days ahead. And They're also preparing our lunch na. So, kakain na rin tayo afterwards.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah.
Ate, may buko juice kayo?
Wala po ma'am, nasira kasi yung ano nang nakaraan ng bagyo. Kaya
Hindi pa okay.
Siguro nalaglag ng bagyo. Tas, hindi pa yata masyadong inog. Bagyong Christine.
And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah.
So here's the lunch they prepared for us. Pansit, fish, alimasag, rice, chicken, and kalabasa. And also watermelon.
Okay everyone this is our second stop here on Little Tayan Island called Sandbar. And also your activity is relaxing, swimming and snorkeling. And also if you have a kayak, you can use your kayak here to ride. And the snorkeling spot is this part, madam and sir. That area, the snorkeling spot. So you have 1 hour to spend your time here on our second stop. After that, proceed to our last stop in Malcapuya Island.
Look at the sandbar!
The video doesn't give justice on how beautiful this island is. Sobrang fine ng sand and the water is so clear. We did not rent any goggles or kayaks, we were just going to enjoy the sun and swim in the water. I wasn't able to take a video of when we had a mini chit-chat with our tour guide about Coron, some trivias, and how was their life here. It's so nice to have a conversation like this to people learning about their way of life.
We are now here on our last stop, Malcapuyan Island.
Tinaguriang.
Ang tinagurang, ano nga to kuya?
One of the most hidden gems in Coron.
Hidden gems in Coron.
Boracay.
Little
Yeah,
Boracay.
seems in Boracay, sir. Like lots of coconut trees, nakopol bungalows, like that. In a purely powdery white sand. Also, your activity here is swimming and snorkeling. But prepare your payment for 100 per person.
Para saan yun?
Per the person who wants to snorkeling.
For snorkeling, 100 pesos. So, kami, since wala kaming snorkeling, ano lang kami. Chill. Tignan mo kahit nasa bato-bato sila. Kasi ito meron, no? Tignan mo, kakaibang kulay. Para siyang nag-aano dun sa sand.
Oo.
Linaw. Kahit di ka mag-goggles kita mo. We're just gonna chill here. Swim a bit maybe, pero dito lang sa may parang dalampasigan niya. If you're gonna do snorkeling pala guys, may payment pa rin na 100 pesos. Per person. Yes. Kahit may rental kayo na gears, I think it's for baka environmental fee or cleaning fee, I'm not sure. We're just gonna walk kasi sa kabilang side daw yung Malcapuyan Island. Parang maganda yung ano dun tubig Totoo nga, ang chismis. Konting walk lang naman siya guys from doon. Doon lang kasi talaga yung daungan ng mga bangka. Siguro bawal dito para at least di naman masira yung view. May buko! Buko! Nakita ko na yung buko. Ang ganda! Parang white beach, no? Tapos may mga tent na may mga anong tawag dito? Tent. Ayan, may store. Kasi parang kang nasa Boracay lang. May coconut trees, tas white sand. Let's check out what they have here in their store. So they have fresh buko for 50 pesos. And then the cottage are free of use. So kuha lang kayo ng spot nyo. Tapos meron sila mga chips. Soft drinks. Maruya and ano. Magkano yung ganyan, ate?
25 po.
25.
Naubos na kasi yung kanina, yung turon tsaka turon over.
Ah, I see. Okay. Dito, ano meron?
Ano lang po, chichirya, tsaka...
Beer,
soft
mga
drink,
drinks.
tsaka opo, yan.
Yung shrimp gambas, meron din yan.
Wala yan, ma'am.
Ah, wala
Ano
lang.
yan?
Akala ko meron.
Lagay lang yan.
Cute ng mga island dogs. Ayun, may maliit pa. Oh. Look! Ang ganda! Sobrang pinunusan. Tignan mo. The only thing is, wala masyadong pagkain. Yun lang yung in-offer nila. Banana Q and maruya. Tapos some chips and mga beer. If you're a drinker type, ganon. Pwede siya dito. CR lang tayo before we head back to our boat. So that's the end of our tour, Coron Escapade Tour. If you're looking for food during your trip, dun sa tatlong beach na napuntahan namin, wala kami masyadong mabila ng pagkain. Mostly ano lang talaga, chips and buko. Might as well bring extra food with you bago kayo mag-start ng tour nyo para at least meron kayong makakain during the ride or during your activity here. Saka punta. Tingnan mo gumaganan yung pet niya. Alam niya kung saan iinom ng tubig. We are now here at Carl's Barbecue to eat dinner. Last night we were here also. Ang lambot ng ribs nila. Kaya binalikan namin siya ulit today. Kasi last night na namin here in Coron. And tatry namin yung full slab. Tsaka grilled stuffed squid. Kasi nung kagabi na pumunta kami dito, ubos na siya around mga 7:30 p.m. My God! Hey guys, so we just get back here at the hotel. Yeah, I think that's all for our Coron trip. This will be our last night here. Here in Coron, it was short but super fun. Thank you guys for coming with us. So, we'll just pack our things now kasi maaga ang checkout namin tomorrow. And let's see if I can go around the city proper and check out kung ano mga merong places dito. Actually, meron pa mga lugar dito sa Coron Town proper that you should visit, like the hot spring, yung Parish Church, and yeah, ang dami pa. But I'm not sure if we still have time, but let's see tomorrow kung maaga kami magigising. We'll try to go around the city proper and show it to you. Good morning, guys! So, it's our last day here in Coron and we're heading back to Manila around 11 to 11:30 a.m. So right now, I'm walking outside kasi wala na akong cash. Mag-withdraw tayo. Okay naman maglakad-lakad dito, in fairness. Mukhang safe naman. In case magutom pala kayo guys, tapos hindi kayo makapag-isip ng kakainin, may McDonald's nearby hotel. I think, yon mga ilang meters lang siya. So, kung wala na kayong maisip kainin, ito na. Actually, yun pinag-iisipan namin mamayang kainin bago yung flight namin. And then also, there's ATM here, BDO, in case na naubos na kayo ng cash, it's the nearest ATM machine. Tapos may drugstore din. Kung sakaling may hindi kayo nadala na medicines, you can buy there. Ito yung mga Maltapias. Yung nakita natin na maliwanag sa taas. Hot spring.
720 step.
720 leg day pala to. Yung Tagbanwa, coffee. Tatry namin.
Tagbadlosa.
Oo. Yun ba yung beans nyo dito, kuya?
Yes.
Sige. At kunyari, gusto nyo guys, 3 araw ko ron, tapos 3 araw naman El Nido. Pwede, 3 hours lang daw. Going to El Nido. Parang mga to go, ganon.